Hey guys, welcome back to Basquatch. I'm Cody.
And I'm Alex.
And the boy is
Hi.
over there.
I'm right.
Today we're going to try our hand at catfishing. We got a new spot in store. Gnat in my ear. We're at the bait getting spot. We're going to show you how we do that. Thing we love to use. Gulp maggots made by Berkeley. They work really good. What we're using for tackle here, folks, these are our trout and panfish rods. They're great for catching bait. 6 foot. How'd you end up with mine and I got yours? They're 6 and 6.5 foot. Yellow eagle claw. Obviously they're yellow. You can tell because they're yellow. Eagle claw featherlight ultralight rods. Fluger President 6920 reels, 4-pound P-line fluoro clear, and we're using small. I think these are 1 32nd ounce jig heads, trout magnet bobber, little float, and tipped for bait. We use the Gulp maggots from Berkeley. I'm surprised there's no little green sunfish in there. I honestly can't believe it. You got one? There you go. That's a big chub or something. There you go. Get that in the bucket quick before it flops off. There you go. Big creek chub. That's a amazing fall catfish bait. I say fall even though it's going to be like 100 degrees a day. Oh, there we go. Sunfish. It's a bluegill. That is, boy, that is like almost a perfect live bait size. Little on the small side, but I would honestly love to have a couple decent sized ones for cut. Because I have honestly had no luck on live bait this year, folks. Even the 35-pound flathead I caught on a bluegill head. Froggy? Could use him for bait. Another bluegill. The heck was that? Yeah, I think we're going to have to go elsewhere. Alright, spot number 2 for bait. Oh, this is sketchy. Everything's sticking to me. What are you? Oh, they're thorns. Ow. Alright. See if we can find a stupid sunfish right here. You know, sometimes getting your bait can be more of an adventure than the actual fishing. Especially when the water's low. And the water has been low like 90% of the freaking year. And I remember the green sunfish really like to be near the rocks, so. Alright. First cast, wish me luck. Oh, okay. A big striped shiner, we'll take him.
A big one?
Striped shiner, yeah, big one.
I thought that was like a smallmouth.
I thought it was a bass at first too.
I thought it was a sunfish or a
striped
smallmouth.
shiner. Yeah, it's like a green sunfish or big bluegill. Green sunfish, perfect. That's what you want right there. Perfect damn size and everything. Green sunfish. Lepomis cyanellus. And green sunfish usually they're usually up in the rocks. So you dangle a bait, there we go. You dangle a bait right, that's a long ear. I think this should be the state fish of Missouri. Citizens of Missouri, can we please make a petition to get the state fish changed to long-eared sunfish. I mean, sorry, but better than channel catfish.
He's pretty. A big long ear ran up, touched it, and goes nah.
I watched him. He was all over my bobber. That's a bluegill.
Nice.
Little, I'm still on the same piece of bait. Hey, hey.
Me too.
Long ear.
Jesus.
Luckily, they're like blunt objects, so you can pull them over that.
Right.
You know? You're coming with me to die.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
That little bluegill sees it, he's run to it. Oh, come on, eat it. Just
Come
suck
on.
it in and spit it out. Another green? That's a big one.
Like literally, it just landed.
Nice. I think one more and we're good. Really.
Greeny, greeny.
Yeah, big one. Oh no. Yeah, the way it pulls it down.
My strategy for
Oh
this
no.
is waiting until they get in the moss, and then I just scoop them.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, even more nose.
Got two coming.
Yeah.
Okay. What do we got? That's pretty good enough. I'm glad you got a couple of big ones. That big.
Mm-hmm.
Look, you're the one who caught the big ones, huh?
Yeah. What's
Oh
new?
my god. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh no.
I looked up, I glanced up toward the bridge, and when I looked back, my bobber was gone. There we go.
Oh, the grasshopper.
Good deal, Mom. Bigger one.
Nice.
So beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Man, like, just,
Fiery.
you can keep it. Here. Okay. Well, that was successful.
Mm-hmm. The other spot had way less water.
Alright, we got it done. Got quite a few fish in there. More than enough to waste some time on the riverbank trying to catch a bigger fish. Alright, Sciatic, is this good for you? Huh? Are you happy? Here, buddy. And then we leave the truck. We'll walk you.